So let's look at an application of the combination function. Okay, suppose you flip a coin 100 times, it's a fair coin, and you want to know what's the probability that you get exactly 90 heads and 10 tails. So let's start by observing that the number of the probability for a particular sequence is 1 over 2 to the 100. Okay, so that's the probability of any one particular sequence, and there are 2 to the 100 such sequences. Okay, so what we really care to find is how many sequences of length 100 contain 90 heads and 10 tails. So it looks something like this. Okay, so if you look at that, you see that you have a head here, and a head here, and a head here, and a head here. Okay, and then all the rest are tails. Okay, so this is very much like the problem that we had before of counting the number of ways to put 4 pigs and 3 lions. Okay, just here we have 90 heads and 10 tails. Okay, so the numbers are bigger, but the principle is the same, right? We want to know how many ways are there to order the heads and the tails if there are 90 heads and 10 tails. Okay, so we know that the answer for that is 100 choose 10. C 100, 10. Okay, which turns out to be the same as 100 choose 90. It gives us the same answer whether we concentrate on the tails or on the heads. So how do we now use that to calculate the probability? We have that the sample space is head tails to the 100. So the size of the sample space is 2 to the 100. The event that we're interested in is a sequence of length 100 that contains 10 tails. And the size of the event is 100 choose 10. Therefore, at the end what we get is that the result is 100 choose 10 divided by 2 to the 100, and we can open up the definition here of the combination function, and we get 100 factorial divided by 10 factorial, 90 factorial, 2 to the 100. Okay, and we can actually put that into the computer and calculate it. So we get these two long numbers, this number in the numerator and this one in the denominator, and the result at the end is 1.3 times 10 to the minus 17. So indeed a very, very small probability. So the exact numbers are not really of that much interest, but what is important is to understand the way to get there, which is to use this equation. Okay? So that's it.